My name na Stacy. I be Naija babe. We dey fine well. As you can see, I fine. Watch this video to the end. I will teach you how you go take create this video. I use a free AI website to make that video you just watched now, and it's so amazing. There are a lot of things you can do on that website entirely free of charge. You can lip sync your animator video, you can animate your video, you can lip sync your AI avatar pictures, you can generate any form of AI video on this website. There's nothing like monthly subscription, you are not paying for anything, and you can generate videos every day. This is so amazing. It's something that is similar to Crop, and the quality is so okay. AI video quality is so okay. As you can see, I generated that, both the picture and the video, from this website. Let's go, let me show you. The first thing you need to do is to go to your Google Chrome and type lip sync. Type lip sync dot video. You see an interface like this. When you go to the menu, you see different things you can do on this website. A lot of things you can do on this website free of charge, even though it is limited. But first of all, you have to sign in to your email, Gmail, of course. And for every day you sign in on this website, you'll be given free 50 credits to generate videos every day. And once you sign up, you'll be given free one time free video, to generate one free video up to 10 seconds for free. The subsequent one will be 6 seconds. So these are different things you can do on this website. You can lip sync your video, you can you can lip sync your photo, like animate your photo, then lip sync it. You can do talking avatar, AI baby podcast, talking animals, talking cartoon, AI news anchor, AI baby talking. A lot of things you can actually do on this website. So, but what we're focusing here now is the lip sync. You click on this first one, the lip sync. You see an interface like this. So here you can upload your video, your animated video. Then let's do this one. You upload animated video. Then you have options to record your voice or to upload an audio. If you want to record your voice like straight away to this through your device to this website, this is where it says record audio. Once you click on this, you click on this red button to record audio. But I'm going to be uploading audio I have already. So you wait for your video to upload before you now upload your audio. So as you can see, the video is already uploaded. So what you need to do, you can also paste if you have a prompt, what you want the video to say, you can paste your prompts here. You can type up to 1,000 characters here, or you upload your audio. So I'm going to be uploading my audio right now. So you click on this particular place to upload your audio, and it has to be on a file. Click on files. You already have it here. So you click on this. Oh, sorry. You click on this. It has to be a file. Click on file. You go to file, and you type on audio files. Then you select the one you have here. You can see it's already uploading. So you allow it to upload. So you have to also preview whatever you have uploaded to ensure that that's exactly what. My name is Stacy. I be Naija babe. I be exactly. So now you have to click on this, because I've first generated one where the free bonus they gave me. I've exhausted it. So now I have like 50 credit daily, 50 credit given to me. So I have to use it to generate this. So you click on generate and you will generate this. That's exactly how I generated the first video you watch at the beginning of this video. So that's how you can use this website. And when you get to the menu, there are a lot of things you can actually do here. A lot of things, and these things you can do it. So far you have credits on here, and the credit is entirely free of charge. So far you log on here every day, you will be given 50 credits to generate videos. So that's exactly how to do it.